So once you're logged in, you can click on Job Schedule, which will take you to all active jobs. Once you're here, you'll see all active jobs at the top of the screen and a historical chart at the bottom. To get into a job, you can either click View Job on the active jobs at the top, or you can go down and find a job on the schedule, click on it, and then hit View Job there as well. Once you click View Job, you'll be taken into that job's view. You'll see at the top we have tabs for Analytics, Dashboard, Job Setup, and Plug Sheet to the right here. Under the dashboard, this is where you as a user will be able to go in and customize your view to analyze all once per second data as it streams in. On here, you can customize these graphs to your liking and add in third-party tie-ins as well. On the analytics page, this is where we extract all important information from the dashboard page to give the user a more complete experience. On here, you'll find things such as the torque and drag model, a digital plug sheet, connection times, and a plan versus actual chart. On the job setup page, this is where we'll have features such as a 3D viewer, a well scheduler, KPI benchmarks, crewing, and more.